We're gonna do a quick video to cover the new Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, which just came in the mail for me. Here's what it looks like. I traded in one of these Buds live. I have two of these. I'm using this black set as my work headphones, and this is the original Samsung Buds, and I use these for sleeping because these guys they fit pretty well, and I mean, you just leave them in your ear and you can actually, you know, listen to music and fall asleep. So they're very comfortable, very cool. And these are my current daily drivers, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro in a diamond case, because the case that it comes in is matte and it gets scratched up pretty bad without a case. So, and I wanted to have some protection for this guy, so I got this. But anyway, on to the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. This is what it looks like. Just came in the mail, and I think it's August 13th here. So this is actually the second batch. They had to hold off on it for a while to correct the problems that were associated with the first batch. So I'm just gonna open this up real quick here. Open these guys up here as well, like that. Okay. And you should be able to pop it out. There you go. Yep, so here's what the inside looks like. I got the silver pair, and I have so on the right side you have some books. Let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, USB-C cable and a little bit of an instruction manual, which nobody really care about. I'm not going to use it, so I'm going to put it back in. So we have a little instruction here, perfect fit. Here's the Buds right here, Buds 3 Pro. Got the light there. Oh yeah, I see the LED light. Here we go. Let's take them out and put them back in. You can see the LED light right there. There we go, and it's charging. So you got the connector button, the pairing button, USB-C port, and there you go. Cool. Transparent little cover here. Oh yeah, speaking of cover, I have a cover that I purchased, Ilago cover that I purchased from Amazon. Let me go ahead and pause the video and take a look at that real quick. Okay, and so we're back. We have the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro right here. I have the case for it, Ilago. I just bought this and kind of timed it for the arrival of my Galaxy Buds 3. It's got a carabiner right there. And let's see here. Okay, so here's the case, the silicone case. So it's got a clear top and a silicone bottom here. This one's a black version. So let's go ahead and take this guy, pop it into here. You see the Ilago icon there. Okay, and this is the front cover. Actually no, it should be the other way around. Okay, yep. So something like that. Ah, yeah. So all the cases, they have a little opening right here to allow the case to open, and I think it's not fitting 100%, but yeah. Oh, I'll fix that later on somehow. You just gotta get it to fit. So yeah, this is what the case looks like with the silicone case on there. Looks pretty good. Alright, so that's what it looks like with the case. Here's the earbuds itself with the little kind of indentation that came with it. I'm going to put it outside so we have a little bit more contrast. So here's my Buds 2 Pro size comparison right here, right? Versus the original Galaxy Buds, and I have my Galaxy Buds Live right here. Let's go ahead and open up these guys so you can kind of see the sizing. Alright, so I got these two and the Buds 2 Pro. That's what it looks like right there. And the Buds 3 Pro. There you go. So let's go ahead and close these guys. Put them aside for a moment. Here we go. So let's do a quick size comparison with these guys. So here's what these guys look like compared to it's these guys here. Okay. Got that little slot right there. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think there's any defect on the manufacturing of these, so that seems good. And let's go ahead and compare these guys here to each other. Yeah. So they're a little thinner than the Buds 2 Pro, but obviously a little longer because of the stem. There's the top, the side. On this side, that's the microphone, and that's where they put that now. So yeah, I can't wait to try these on to kind of test out the sound quality, especially comparing to the Buds 2 Pro that I have, that I've been using for a long time, and my Buds Live, and this guy that I've been using for sleeping. These guys, you know, you can sleep with them too, but not as comfortable as the original Galaxy Buds. Alright, so that is that for a quick unboxing and kind of comparison between my various headphones in the Galaxy Buds family. And I am really excited to be able to try these guys on and see how the sound quality have improved. These guys have two drivers, a balanced amateur driver for the highs and a dynamic driver for the mids and the low, which is really good. I can't wait to try these on. Thank you very much for watching.